In this video, I'm going to show you how to design from scratch without using a template. So let's go to Canva. Let's launch our Canva app. So if you want to design from a scratch without using a Canva template, you will go to the bottom. You see the bottom, there's a plus sign at the middle at the bottom. Click it. Then what is it bringing out? It's going to bring out the size. That's why I said whenever you want to design, the first thing is to know what am I designing. Is it am I designing for social media or for flyer for church? I want to print it or whatever. So but if it's for social media, Instagram post square is the best, which is the third one. So you pick that one. It's a square. You can use it for Facebook and most of the social media platforms. So you click that. When you click that Instagram post, my network is bad, that's why it's bringing this. So whenever you see something like this, you're having a network challenge, so you click retry. Let's see that the network will be up. So so it has come up. This is a blank page. You can click the back button of your phone. Just click the back button so that it can bring you back to where you are. This is the blank page when you want to start from afresh. So let's assume I want to use a background. I can decide to come to plus here and pick a template. You see that even from a scratch you can pick a template. So there are templates here already. You can pick, because since I'm using Instagram posts as a size, so it's giving me the template on Instagram posts. So I can use any of this template. The one that is not paid, the one that is pro, don't click it. Otherwise, another thing I want to do is I want to go to Google. I'm going back, going off. I'm going to my browser and clicking background. Just showing some things I do. Beautiful red background. So it's going to give me some background. So let's assume I am picking, let's come to image, click image. Then you can pick any of this background that is here. So let's pick let's just pick one for learning purpose. So you come, you click any of this. When you click, you hold it down and press it and hold it down, click it and hold it down and click download image. So it will automatically, look at what it says. Do you want to download image? Yes, download again. So it's automatically, this image is already in your phone, not on the Canva. So now you go back to your Canva and you want to use, you felt those image are not good. Maybe you are designing something that's to do with love. So you come to a plus button. Instead of picking any of these templates here, you come to upload, scroll down, go to the down button and scroll, you see upload. So I want to upload that image, that background that I used, that I just brought now. So I come to upload a file at the top, click upload file. When you click upload file, you will see the image immediately. If not, you go to your gallery and look for it. So this is the image. It will upload on your on your canvas. So it's uploading, and when it finish uploading, you just tap it. Then it's here. You can decide to just go to this just scroll down, go to the down part and scroll. When you scroll, you see more. Then you can scroll this one more and use set image as background. That's what it means. So it's now on the background of this video. So now I want to put a picture. I'm sure you remember how to put a picture, but let's use a picture that we've already chrome because of time. A picture that we've already used the background. So you come to plus sign and it's on upload. So you can pick any of this picture. Otherwise, you can upload more picture into your Canva. So let me pick the one that is already uploaded here that we've already removed the background. So I click it. When I click it, it's here. And like I said, everything must properly align. So I'm removing the I'm cropping it a bit. And you know, some people design and they'll just put small picture like this. No, it doesn't make it fine. You have to do it in such a way but it can align. So you enlarge it. You see what I'm doing? I just enlarge it now. This is practice, but this is just for the sake of practice. So that is that. Then if let's assume you have your church logo you want to use the same way. If your church logo is already in your phone, you can go to the plus button and go to upload and upload file. Look for where the logo is and and apply it. So let me just pick one logo, one of our logo. So you come to gallery and look for come to album, looking for one of our um, logo. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Can't find any of this logo here. Okay, other album. Let me check whether I can see any of the logo so that I can just apply it. So let's come to, okay, look at our church logo here. So I'm picking any of these. So this is our church logo. So when you click it, it will load. So you see that it's loading. After it finish loading, you can touch it and minimize it. Just hold the edge. Like I said, don't hold the middle. If you hold the middle, it will cut. So you can go to the top, redo, click that redo button. Then you hold the edge, any of the edge, and reduce it. So you see the way I'm doing it. You can now move it to where you want it to be, either the edge, any of the edge. Then now write up. What do you want? You want to write something. If you want to write something now, you come to the plus button. You don't come to upload now. You scroll at the bottom. You see where they write text. So you pick that text. I always advise you pick. There are already texts here. Let's assume if you are doing happy birthday for somebody, you can just pick one from here. But otherwise, you can just, the best way is to come to the add a heading, add a subheading. I prefer using add a subheading because it's the average size. Then I can type what I want to write. So let's say I can type and say Jesus. You can delete everything that is there and start typing Jesus loves you so much. You can press the enter button on your keyboard and to go to the second line. Receive is love into your heart. You can see what I'm doing, right? So you put your full stop. So let's assume that is the word I just want to use there. So I can, you see that the way it is now, it's not aligning. So you can move it, come to the edge and move it to you can move it. When you move it, you can move it to any of this edge. Now you see that this thing is still coming, so I can push this one backward a bit and come here. And another thing I taught you, when you are using text background, and you have to be conscious of the color. Look at it, the background is already dark a bit. It's wrong to be using a dark color on it. Otherwise, I can say, okay, let me check whether if I make it bold, it will be better. Go to the down, scroll down and look at format. When you click format, you click bold. So you see that even then, some people use this something like this, but it's still not beautiful. It's better the color should be bright and the background dark, or the color is dark, I mean the text is dark and the background light. Please take note of what I said. Let me repeat it again. Ensure that when you are writing, that the background and the text, they are not the same texture, their color. You see that one is dark and the other one is light, or one is light, the other one is dark. So now let's turn it to white color or something bright. So let's come to color. By the way, let me go back to what I just did now. So if you want to put color of text, you come to the body, touch it, and you scroll down, go to the down and scroll, look at A and color. That is the way you to color your text. So you click it and let's put white. You see that it's brighter now, right? It's brighter. So I think white is okay. So we can come back, but yet I want to change the front. I'm not okay with the front. You can come to the down and click front. Go to the down. You see front at the down here. Front. Touch it. It's going to bring out different kind of. There are thousands of front. One principle about front is that the more you use it, the more you know the one you want to be using always, because you can't be playing around there for years. Because the truth is that time is of essence when you are designing. You can't spend all the days there. So with time, you'll be able to know the front that you use often. So let me use archival black and see how it goes. So see, this one is better. Otherwise, I can use this art tone. Is better too. But another thing again is that I am not okay with the way it's arranged. I can either go to the down and scroll down, go to front. I can either align it like this, or take it to the middle, or take it like this, or take it. But let's put it like this. But let's centralize it. This centralize, you can minimize it a bit and scroll. Let's see how it is. So you just arrange it, just ensure that it looks professional. One way to, okay, so you can, if you want to increase it, you can go to the down again and look for font size and increase the size. I'm doing all this so that you can see how the element work together. You see it. So I will prefer something like this. I prefer the arrangement like this. I can now reduce it to my taste and come. I can bend it. So this is so let's assume I want to now add my name. I want to now add my name. I come to the plus button. What do? Pick what, add a subheading. I said it. So you click it. It will give you another uh, platform to type. You can move it down. Go to hold the cross button at the edge and move it down to where you want it to be. Then I can now put Pastor Gavin. So this is it. So you see that, for example, it is too big. I can come to the front side and reduce. Otherwise, I can hold the edge and reduce. So the same way, what you are doing here is the same way you can use to do when you are working with your laptop. So I may want to change the text, the color of my name. So I click it and go down and a color. Just type it and pick. Let's pick something lighter. It's too dim. Okay, let's leave it like that. I think this is better. Then excuse me. So this is just the basic. So let me add other elements just to show you how to play around. This is okay in itself, but if you want to add other element, let's come to plus button. You come to element. What is element? Element are shapes, frames. There are different elements here. So but let's come to shapes. You see shapes here, you click see all. These are different shapes. I can decide to pick any of these. Let's pick the square and decide to put, okay, I want this right up to be on this square. Otherwise, for me, I will not do that because it will not be fine. But there are different purposes why you can use square. And so this is you can change the color of the square to, let's change it to white. If this is white, this is not pure white yet, so let's choose a pure white. Then you can move it. Just look at you can move it, you can rotate it the way you want, but look at what I want to do with it. This is just for me. I'm just making an example. I'm making an example with this, so you can play along with it. I don't just want the thing to be too whitish for my liking. So you see, it has given it a different look already. I can decide to hold that one and duplicate it. Look at when I touched that same white, it brought three buttons. One is, there's a plus, the other one is middle. So I click this button. So that is the button you click. So when you click it is duplicate, then you move. You can move it to the side. You see that it has given this thing a different shape entirely, a different look entirely. You can also work on your picture by clicking the picture and going to effect, because this picture is too dark for me. So you can just touch it a bit so that it will look a bit professional. So you can click effect at the bottom. uh, you just add, like, the truth is that the more you keep playing with this thing, I mean, use filters, please. You use filters at the bottom. So the more you keep playing with this, the more you get better with it. There's no hard and fast rule to it. If you don't use it always, you will not get it. So let's check the way this one is. It's still not giving me what I want. So let's come to this. Okay, see that this one is a bit brighter, and that is all. I think I like it. Otherwise, I can go back and touch it. If it's okay, then I can reduce the intensity. You understand? So that is it. So after you finish, you can now click the button at the top and download it into your phone. And that is all. I hope this video helped you. So it's downloading now. So you can see how easy it is to uh, do something like this. So that's it. So when you go to your phone gallery, you will see it there. It's already there now. So look at it. This is how it will look like. Thank you.